I am a huge fan of Eco Styler gel. Eco Styler, love this. I wonder why I ride with my Eco. Okay, y'all wonder why I go so hard for Eco? This is why I go so hard for Eco. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So, first things first, if you are new here,
first off, welcome.
Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I appreciate you. All my old time, y'all know, my old time subscribers, y'all are everything. Y'all know how I feel. Eco has just always held it down. It's like that best friend who's always been there for you, no matter what, for your ups and your downs. That's what Eco is to me. So anyway, I know I'm rambling, okay? We're gonna go ahead and get into my top 5 Eco Styler gels in order, okay? So we're gonna work down from 5 to 1. 5 being the least favorite, but still my favorite, but not as favorite.
What?
My least favorite to my favorite. So 5 being, you know, the least, okay, of the 5. All right, makes sense. This is my number 1 for the longest. Would definitely be the clear. I have not repurchased this in a while. So usually I get the 5-pound jar. I didn't, so that says a lot. If you don't know, it is a max 10 hold. I think this is just like the first one that came out. I'm not really sure, but this is an old school OG, but this is number 5. And the only reason is because there are others on the market that just react to my hair better.
Well, we won't go there, but we can.
This gives me a great hold. It gives me great definition. There's no complaints. Like, I don't dislike it at all. But out of the other ones I'm going to mention, this makes the list of being number 5. But you know, it can switch. You know, sometimes when seasons change, you know, your hair's needs change. Or
I said what I said,
As
and
always.
I'm not changing on it. Okay.
okay. So this could make its way up to the list, but as of right now, this is number 5. Okay. All right. So number 4 would have to be new black castor and flaxseed oil. Now I love this stuff. Don't get me wrong. It's everything.
Okay.
Like, this is one of the few gels that are extremely hydrating. Like I said in a previous video, when I think of gels, I don't think I'm gonna get hydration. I'm not, you know, expecting my hair to not be crunchy. Like, I don't know how people think that.
There's a difference.
Because, you know, gels are meant to have that gel cast, a grip of definition, and give you a hold. I like my hair to hold on. Hold I do. I like for it to hold on. I like things that have holds. The reason why I love this gel is because of the claims on it. It claims that, you know, has black castor and flaxseed oil, contains vitamin E, fiber, and omega-3s. I just love the way my hair feels when using this gel. The only thing is I don't get a whole lot of days using this because my hair is so moisturized that the hold kind of isn't really there. Like, I don't really have that crunch, and I need that crunch in order to feel like my hair is going to last for a week. But other than that, like, this stuff was bomb. Got Jesus in it and everything. Like I said with the last one, when I have 5 to choose from, it's gonna be number 4. If you've seen old videos, y'all know that, you know, this was probably like my favorite at one point, but you know, people change, all right? People change. So number 3 would be, this is for colored hair. This is not the argan, okay? This, I don't like the argan. If anybody wants to know, I really do. Argan and the olive oil are kind of my least favorites. So they didn't even make the, you know, top 5. I love this. I do have a video. I believe I have a video on all of these I'm mentioning. This is one of the gels that I get that crunch and I get that mega shine. Oh, this is so hard to explain. It's not to the point to where like your hair is so stiff and hard. No, it's like you have that crunch, you have that security. Ooh, call it. So max 10 hold. All of these gels are alcohol free. I don't know. It's just bomb. Number 3. This is number 2. Y'all know I love this. Well, I don't know if y'all know, but I love this stuff, okay? Max 10 hold. It is the brown gel. They have two different ones. They have one that has red writing, which I don't like. Yeah, that's just. But this one, yes. You have to be very careful that you don't get it on your skin and stuff like that, because it will dry and look a lot like, you know, Pro style, how it used to look back in the day with the brown gel. But the fact that it has super protein, I really like it. Anything with like hydrolyzed wheat protein, y'all, my hair just loves it. My hair really loves and clings onto protein. It has strong holding power. Y'all know how I feel when I read stuff like that. Since it's weightless, it provides gravity defying hold, and it does hold. I wouldn't say gravity defying.
Ooh, is that shade?
It definitely is an awesome gel. If your hair likes protein, you never tried this, I will go ahead and give it a try, give it a go. Definitely one of my favorites. So this is number 2. Okay, number 1. Okay, out of all these 5, number 1 is the Eco Sport Gel. Oh, I already have a video on this. This is just, I really believe that God himself, God himself has something to do with this. You know, Nehemiah and them, Ruth, you know, Sarah and Abraham, somebody, one of them, okay, has something to do with this right here.
That bless me.
I love this because I'm able to get like 3rd day hair on 1st day hair and still have my 3rd day hair look like 3rd day hair. Does that make sense? Like, you know how you have like huge 1st day hair, but by like 3rd day your hair is like done. It just needs to be redone because 3rd day is looking like 18th day, and it's like, you know, what just happened, you know? But this, I get amazing consistent results using this. It's everything. I can't find it. So with this, I could use a leave-in, I could use my Paul Mitchell, I could use a spray, I could use this by itself, and yet my hair will still be looking like, girl, yes, yes, yes. Okay, so those are my top 5. 5 being the least, 2, 1 being the best out of the 5 that I personally like. But the funny thing is, all right, this don't make no sense, but if you've been following me on my social media handles, which you should, I mentioned that I have not been using Eco in like the last 2 times that I've done my hair. Now y'all know I always use Eco Styler. Like, I will use different products for, you know, videos or just to test out. But if I'm going somewhere where I want my hair to look nice and to look how I'm used to having it look, I'm reaching for Eco Styler, hands down. But
Look at this.
woo, this stuff is what I actually have in my hair now.
Now see what we not finna do.
I can get over a week with this stuff if I really want to be, you know, like, oh my god. Now I do have a video, okay, don't play. I do have a video on this. I think it's called like Eco Styler Dupe. I revisited this and it has given me such amazing results. Woo. So if I had to add like an honorary Eco Styler gel love of my life, it would be this. Oh, but this stuff trumps everything I just mentioned. I'm sorry. Listen, extra hold, like with UV filter, alcohol free, no residue, aloe vera.
See what we not finna do.
It's cheap. I got mine at Walmart for I think like $1 and something, maybe $2. It's amazing. It's amazing. So if you want to switch up, you know, you don't mind the certain ingredients. It does have glycerin in it. It does have other ingredients that I personally can't pronounce. So if you're one of those people who, you know, I only use, you know, stuff I can pronounce and all that stuff, then don't use it. But anyway, this was about Eco Styler gel, so I'm sorry for going off, you know, on the Wetline side. So we on Eco side. But I just have to share with y'all the goodness of the Lord right here. So if I'm honest, this list may change in the next couple months. You never know. Eco may come out with something amazing. I know it's not a word, but it may come out with something even better than what I've just mentioned. and my whole list could just change dramatically. You never know, okay? But as of right now, 2018.
I said what I said. It ain't changing over here. I said what I said. And I'm not changing on it, okay?
So yes, I hope I was helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was entertaining and you learned something. That's always the goal. Make sure to follow me on social media so that you can keep up with what I am doing. My favorites, I will slide in, you know, some products that may have been sent to me that I don't plan on mentioning in the video. I may put it on my Insta stories. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, for your time, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Love every beat, love every beat.